This was normally not going to happen, but we like to make noise. What can we say? Therefore, the usual line and speech is, when you hear me say make ready, then you either cover your ears or should be finished fumbling with your camera. That means make ready. At which point the command to fire will be given. Therefore, gun crew, take care, fall in. No, stand up. There you go. Take care. Man out the piece. Take your implements and remove to your positions. Normally there are 18 men that would be on this gun, and this is a field piece that is dragged with the soldiers, along with the soldiers. It initially comes off of the ship. Therefore, it is not a land-based gun normally, so it does not have a limber or horse carriage. It is pulled by the men. Assume your positions. Remove apron tampion. One is the security plug at the end, the tampion, the plug, which keeps people or anything from going down the barrel. The apron covers the touch hole. Again, nothing goes down into the touch hole. Now the second gunner has his thumb with a leather thumb stall over the hole, preventing any air to go through. The next command would be advance sponge, in which case he pre-dips it and stands in his position. Search the piece. Oh, wait. Search the piece. Clear. He's then check that the vent is clear. So search the piece, insert the worm, and test to make sure there's nothing there. When he comes out, he will holler, "Fire!" Sponge. Now the purpose of the sponge is to cool the barrel down, any hot embers, to put them out. Clear. Next command would be to handle charge. He places the implement onto his carriage, hands are behind his back, and he receives the powder. Next command is load. He puts the charge in the barrel, takes up his implement, and returns to his original position. Ram. He steps forward and he inserts the ram. 3 taps, tap, 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 solid. He's clear, that means I am done. Next move, prime. Stay right there, buck. That's all to make ready. He now inserts the tube into the charge. The next command is for you and them. Make ready. They then come back behind the line of the gun. The make ready is he steps forward with his linstock prepared for the signal of fire. Ash on it. Ash on it. Gun crew, return to your base.
Fire in the hole!
Advance sponge. Tend the vent. Tend the vents. Search the piece. Clear! Sponge. Make safe the gun, replace apron and tompions.